Akiaria hindi ya mucemanio gatagati ka maabitha nene ministry-ini ya ukinyaniria na kamiti ya bunge igi ICT, Mucheru ni ugite ati uhuthiri wa mitambo ya ukinyaniria wa kiriu noyo njira ya mwanya ya gucenjia mirutire ya wira ya thirikari na muno makiria gukinyaniria itugenya cia thirikari ya Jubilee.
We're deliberating on our budgets and looking at just our strategy of what we're going to be doing for the next year. So we've looked at the many aspects of running the sector. We've looked at the policy side. We've looked at all the way to how we're going to grow the economy, how we'll take advantage of the Big Four. And so we're going through all the deliberations, and especially on the budgets and how we intend to use the budget.
Oho, Mucheru ni ugite ni gwetha kigina makiria gia kurikia mitaratara ya uthii wa na mbere ta Konza.
We've talked about the consolidation of ICT budget so that all procurement is being done in one place. We've talked about how we can invest more in connectivity for the Big Four. For instance, for the national fiber optic cable, ensuring it goes to the schools, it goes to the hospitals. We've talked about registration of all Kenyans so that they can get universal health care. We've talked about registration of farmers, their farms, their produce, so that we have all the right information that they can then use to grow the food security area.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ICT William Kisang ni ugite ni makurutithania wira na ministry yo niguo matigirire ni yaheo kigina kiiganu.
Our business now is to go back to National Assembly and fight for the budgets for the ministry so that they can achieve the functions. Because one of the key issues that we also want to do is to ensure we are fully digital.
Kiungano giki gitanyitwo kuhe ministry yo mwerekera mwega wigie mirutire ya wira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.